The story of Shani Dev, Saturn's role in astrology. Welcome to Sanatan Stories, where we bring you the wisdom of ancient tales and their relevance in our lives today. In this video, we explore the fascinating story of Shani Dev, the powerful deity associated with Saturn and his significant role in astrology. Introduction to Shani Dev. Shani Dev, the son of Surya Dev and Chaya, is one of the most revered yet feared deities in Hindu mythology. Representing the planet Saturn, Shani is known as the Lord of Justice, Karma, and Discipline. His role is both challenging and rewarding depending on one's actions. The birth of Shani Dev. Shani Dev was born to Chaya, the shadow of Surya Dev's wife, Sangya. According to the legends, Chaya underwent intense penance during her pregnancy, and this influenced Shani's dark complexion and fiery nature. When Shani opened his eyes at birth, Surya Dev's light dimmed momentarily, showcasing Shani's immense power. Why Shani is feared? In astrology, Shani Dev is known as the Karma Phal Data, the dispenser of justice. He rewards or punishes individuals based on their karma. This is why his periods like Shani Sade Sati or Shani Mahadasha are often dreaded, as they bring tests and trials that push us towards self-improvement. The story of Shani Dev and Ravana. One famous tale highlights the might of Shani Dev. When Ravana tried to control all the planets to ensure his son's invincibility, he placed Shani Dev in a position where his gaze couldn't influence the horoscope. However, Shani subtly shifted his position, ensuring that Ravana's plan failed, showing that even the mightiest cannot escape their karma. Symbolism of Saturn in astrology. In Vedic astrology, Saturn is the slowest moving planet and its influence is deeply transformative. Representing hard work, discipline, and patience, Shani Dev teaches us that true growth comes through perseverance and accountability. While his periods may be tough, they are meant to build character and lead to long-term rewards. How to please Shani Dev? Devotees often seek Shani Dev's blessings by performing rituals on Saturdays, offering mustard oil, black sesame seeds, and chanting the Shanti mantra. Worshipping him with a pure heart and performing acts of kindness, especially towards the underprivileged, are believed to reduce his harsh effects. Conclusion: Shani Dev's life lessons. Shani Dev's story and his role in astrology remind us of the importance of living a righteous life, embracing discipline and accepting challenges as opportunities for growth. He teaches us that no one escapes their karma, but also rewards us richly when we walk the path of dharma. If you found the story insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sanatan Stories for more tales that inspire and enlighten. Jai Shani Dev.